Hey plant lovers! Did you know that having indoor plants can actually improve your air quality? That's right. They not only brighten up your space but also filter out toxins, making your home a healthier place to be. If that doesn't get you excited about plant care, I don't know what will. Welcome to Houseplant Care 101. Today, we're diving into some super easy tips to help keep your indoor plants thriving. Whether you're a seasoned plant parent or just starting out, understanding how to care for your plants is crucial for both their health and your well-being. So, let's get those green thumbs ready. Now, let's talk about some of the common challenges that indoor plant owners face. First up is overwatering. It's super easy to do, especially when you see those sad droopy leaves. Then there's low light. Not all plants are created equal, and some just can't handle the dark corners of your home. And of course, pests. These little critters can wreak havoc if you're not careful. They love to sneak in and munch on your precious greenery. So, how do we tackle these issues and keep our plants happy? Let's get into some essential tips for houseplant care. First off, watering schedules. A good rule of thumb is to check the top inch of soil. If it feels dry, it's time to water. Next, light requirements. Make sure to place your plants where they'll get the light they need. Some love bright, indirect light while others thrive in low light conditions. And forget about pest management. Regularly inspecting your plants can help catch any unwanted guests early. If you spot them, a simple soap spray can often do the trick. Keep your plants clean and healthy, and they'll reward you with lush growth. Now, here's a key insight that can really change your plant game: drainage. Proper drainage is essential for healthy root systems. Always use pots with drainage holes and consider adding a layer of pebbles at the bottom to help excess water escape. And let's talk about soil. Using the right mix can make a huge difference. For example, succulents need a well-draining soil, while tropical plants prefer something that retains a bit more moisture. Trust me, your plants will thank you for it. To wrap things up, remember these key points: know your watering schedule, understand your plant's light needs, and keep an eye out for pests. Proper care is absolutely crucial for keeping your indoor plants thriving and healthy. With a little bit of attention and the right tips, you can create a beautiful indoor jungle that will brighten your space and your mood. Hey! Now I want to hear from you. What are your favorite plant care tips? Share them in the comments below. And if you're looking to dive deeper into plant care, don't forget to check out my next video where we'll explore how to take care of specific plant species. Happy planting, and see you next time.